vector space, subspace. Okay, the previous class we discussed a vector subspace is a vector space. For a vector space is a non-empty subset that satisfies the requirement for a vector space. Okay, vector space requirement is addition and multiplication. Commutative law, distributive law, previous class we discussed, no? Inverse law, identity law. That condition is satisfied in vector subspace also. Okay, in that we have two linear combinations are there. Okay, if add any two vectors, if we add any vectors v1 and v2, okay, in a subspace, then v1 plus v2 is in the subspace of vector space, is in the subspace of vector space. Okay, first of all, the subspace is nothing but, observe here, you already know what is a subspace, is set. Okay, set is, observe here, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to whole number. Okay, then I am taking A. A is a subset of, this is B. This is A, I am taking A. A is A. B, I am taking only odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. B is a subset of A, and I am taking one more set. Okay, here even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. C is also subset of A. C is also subset of A. Then do the addition, B plus C. Okay, what will happen? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 5 plus 6 is 11, and observe here 3, 7 is also there in set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, A is a whole number. A is a set of whole numbers. Okay, B I am taking even numbers. B is I am taking even number means B is a subset of A, and C is I am taking this even number. C is also subset of A. Then do the addition, B plus C. We are getting 3, 7, 11 and so on. B plus is also a subset of A. Then do the same, do the multiplication also, B into C. Okay, 1 into 2 is 2, 3 into 4 is 12, 5 into 6 is 30, okay, and so on. B is also subset of A, BC is also subset of A, and B plus C is also subset of A. Similarly, in vectors also, okay. V1 and V2 are a subspace of V. Then do the addition, V1 linear combination. We call it as addition and multiplication. We have called it as a linear combination. V1 plus V2 vector. We are getting one vector. Okay, that this is a subspace of vector space, V vector. Similarly, do the multiplication, V1 into V2. Okay, we are getting some values. We are getting some answer. That is also subset of V vector. Okay, these two are multiplication and additions are a linear combination. Okay, for example, I will tell you what is the r to the power of 3, what is the r square, what is the r to the power of 1. Okay, r to the power of 3 represents 3-dimensional. R to the power of 3 represents 3-dimensional. It is having a 3 variables, x, y, z, and r square is having a 2-dimensional, means x and y, and r is only represents x. Okay, r to the power of 4 is nothing but 2 cross 2. Okay, matrix. R to the power of is nothing but 2 cross 2 matrix. R to the power of 6 is 2 cross 3 is r to the power of 6. Okay, r to the power of 3. Okay, then example, consider a vector r to the power of 3 is a subspace or is a subspace. R3 itself only subspace. Okay, observe here A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. A is also a subset of A. only. A is a subset of A only. Okay. Then example 1. Consider a vector space R to the power of 3. It is a subspace. It is a subspace R. First one, R to the power of 3 is itself a subspace. Second one, okay, any plane, okay, R to the power of 3, any plane through the horizon. Any plane through the horizon. The line is passing through the horizon. Horizon. Third one, any line through the horizon. Fourth one, 0 is also subspace of 0 vector is also a subset of R to the power of 3. 0 vector is also a subspace of R to the power of 3, means 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, any plane through the horizon. For example, R to the power of 3 is a 3-dimensional. Okay, you have to draw the diagram. X, Y, and Z. R to the power of 3 itself only a subspace. Any plane is passing through the horizon. Any plane is passing through the horizon also a subspace of them. Then any line is passing through the horizon. Observe here, this is a 0, 0. Any line is passing through the horizon. This is also subspace. And 0, 0 is also subspace of R to the power of 3. Okay. In VTU question paper, define a vector space. Now I will send the notes. Already I wrote. Okay. Define vector space, subspace, and explain the 4 fundamental subspace. 4 fundamental. Okay. Fundamental subspace. We have 4 types of subspace. One is column subspace, column space, null space, row space, the left null space. We explained the 4 fundamental subspace. Okay. I'm audible now. Understood? Any doubt? Any doubt? Maran? Chandan?
No, ma'am.
Okay. 4 fundamental subspace of matrices. Fundamental subspace of matrices. Okay, matrix is a group of, okay, observe here, matrix is a group of vectors, column vectors, v1, v2, and so on, vn. This belongs to R to the power of n. This belongs to R to the power of n. Then here A is equal to v1, v2, and so on, vn. Here v1, v2, and so on, vn, it belongs to R to the power of n. Okay, here v1, v2, and so on, vn, it belongs to R to the power of n. Each column vector adds m elements. Okay, each column vectors adds m elements. Total column vectors are in. The order of matrix A is m cross n. Okay, here each, we need to find the each column vector as m elements. Each column vector has m elements. Total column vectors are n. Total column vectors. Correct now? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is 2 cross 3. Here 3 is n column matrix, 3 column matrix or 2 row matrix. Okay, 3 column matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then 2 rows column, 2 rows matrix is nothing but m cross n. The order of matrix A is m cross n. Okay, the order of matrix here, this is order 2 cross 3 is a order. A is here, the order of matrix A is 2 cross 3, 2 cross 3. Okay, in that we are studying 4 fundamentals. One is column subspace. 4 fundamental subspace. First one is null space. The first one is the column space. We have to write column, that's all. That is represent column space, means P of A. Okay, second one is the null space. Null space means N of A. Then the row space. The row space. The row space is nothing but C A transpose. A transpose. The next last one is the left null space. Okay, means N of A transpose. N of A transpose. Okay. Okay, we have a 4 fundamental column space. Second one is the null space, the row space, and the left space. Okay, first one is the column space. Explain this. We have to explain the column space also. Okay, the column space of matrix A is the linear combination of column of A. Okay, the column space is nothing but the column space of matrix. The column space of matrix. A is a linear combination of each matrix. Linear combination of each column of A. Okay, R column space of matrix A is equal to span of matrix. Column space of matrix A is equal to span of matrix A. Okay, column space of matrix is denoted by C of A. Column space of matrix we are denoting by this C of A. Okay, C of A means, observe here, C of A is equal to linear combination of very easy. This is not a difficult. Combination of columns of A. X1, so on, Xn, Bn. C of A is denoted by column space of matrix. Column is not nothing but column space of matrix. It's a linear combination of column of A. X1 V1 plus X2 V2 V1 and V2 represent columns. Okay, columns. Then P of A we are telling here span of V1 come to and so on Vn and so on Vn means span of A and A. Okay, you have to remember how to write the column of matrix. P of A is equal to x1 v1 plus c2 v2 plus so on plus v1 x1 v1. Okay, P of A is equal to span of v1 v2 so on vn is equal to span of A. Okay. Here I will give the example, then you will understand clearly here. Let's take on one example. Let A is equal to 1 minus 1, 2, 3. I am taking this matrix example. Okay. Observe here in this matrix how many rows are there, how many columns are there. Tell me firstly in this matrix how many rows are there, how many columns are there. Smaran?
Yes, ma'am.
How many rows are there, how many columns are there in this matrix?
2 rows, ma'am.
2 rows and 2 columns. Okay. 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 plus 2. Okay. Then it has okay 2 columns vector. 2 columns vector. That is V1 is equal to 1 to very simple, not a difficult here. V1 is equal to 1 to and V2 is equal to minus 1 and 3. Okay. This is belongs to R square. This is belongs to R square. Then it's a column space. You have to write all space. All space is what? Nothing but span of V1, V2, so on Vn. Okay, if column space n of A, column space is n of A is equal to linear. Okay, x1 v1 plus x2 v2. Okay, then x1 v1 is what here 1 2 plus x2 v2 is what here minus 1 3. v2 is minus 1 3. Okay, then for any values for any values x1 comma x2 is belongs to R, then n of A is equal to span of, okay, don't write it x1 and x2, this is linear combination. Span is nothing without x we have to write. Okay, means 1 2 and so on. 1 3 minus 1 3. We understood how to write the column space. Observe here the matrix A is equal to 1 2 minus 1 3. Here 2 columns vector. Observe here it has a 2 column vector. V1 is equal to 1 2 and V2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. It belongs to S2. Then the next null space of column space can be denoted by n of A. Column space is denoted by n of A is equal to x1 v1 plus x2 v2. Linear combination. x1 and v1 is what? v1 is 1 2 plus x2 is minus v2 is minus 1 3. Okay, for any values of x1 is x2 belongs to the column space is span of 1 2 and minus 1 3 minus 1 3. Okay, this is a column space. Understood how to write? Any doubts, Smaran, Chandan, Akshita?
No, ma'am.
It's a simple. V1 is equal to 1 2, V2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. The next step x1 v1 plus x2 v2. Okay, then x1 in place of v1 1 2 plus x2 in place of v2 minus 1 3. Then next we have to write the column space. N of A is equal to only vectors you have to write. Space, column space, span 1 2 and minus 1 3. The null space means n of A. The null space of matrix A is defined as the solution of, okay, it is the solution of A, matrix X is equal to matrix of 0 matrix, okay. In null matrix, in null space, we are going to find the x1 value, x2 value, okay, x1 value and x2 values, okay. The null space of matrix A is defined as the solution to A X is equal to 0, X 0. The null space of matrix, understood? It is matrix A and is equal to matrix of 0. This is a very serious line for matrix to value. Therefore, the null space of matrix consists of a vector x such that Ax is equal to 0. The null space of matrix is A denoted by n of A. Okay, is the solution. Write down here A of x is equal to 0. A vector, write down here. A vector is 1 minus 1 and capital X is here x1, x2 means 0 comma 0. Okay, then find out the values here. Okay, first row, first column. Okay, 1 into x, x1, x2 is minus x2 is equal to 0. 2 into x1 plus 3 into x2 is equal to 0. Okay, we need to find the x1 value and x2 value. Okay, we need to find the x1 value and x2 value. Here observe equation number 1, equation number 2. Take the equation 1, multiply the 2. Take the equation 1, multiply the 2. 2x1 minus 2x2 is equal to 0. In second equation, you write down as it is only. Plus 2x1 plus 3x2 is equal to 0. Okay. Then change the sign here. Change the sign minus, then plus 2x1 minus 2x1 gets cancelled. Okay, minus 3x2 minus 2x2 is 5, minus 5x2 is equal, means x2 is equal to 0. Okay, here x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. x1 minus 0 is 0, means x1 is also 0. Okay, then n of A is equal to x is equal to x1 and x2 is 0, 0, 0. This is the column vector. 0, 0 is there, no? Column vector are independent. Column vector independent. Okay. Any doubt in this one? Understood? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Doubt, correct?
No, I'm not out, ma'am.
Okay, sir. In problem also you have to show this type only, okay? Column space and if I find the column space and null space, matrix will give, you have to find, okay? Then third one is row space of A. Third one is the row space of A. It means already we found the column matrix, no? Already we found the column space matrix. Then how to find the row space of matrix? Did it for A post? Okay. Here A is there, no? Do it A transpose. Okay, C of A transpose is nothing but row space of A. Row space of A. Got it? Understood? Yes, C of A is the space of matrix. Okay, we need to find out the row space of A. Okay, take the A and do the transpose. Okay, transpose. Then C of A transpose is nothing but row space of A. It's nothing but row space of A. Okay, means A is equal to C of A transpose. The next, last one, the left null space of A. The left null space of A. Okay, the left null space of A. The left null space of A is the null space of A transpose. It contains all the vertices of Y. Okay. In null space, what we did in null space, we did A into X, A matrix into X matrix is equal to 0 matrix. In left null space, what we have to do means we have to do A transpose matrix into Y matrix into 0. Okay, understood this one? A transpose, the D1 matrix you convert it into transpose of matrix. Then next Y1 and Y2, then 0, 0, 0. Then do the multiplication. With Y1 and Y2 values. Y1 and Y2 values. Understood? What is the what is the left null space of A? What is that? The left null space of A means A transpose, matrix of A transpose, then matrix of Y is equal to 0 matrix. Shall I start the problem? Shall I start the problem? Chandra?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start. Okay. Concept understood now? Column space matrix means what? B1 and B2, H1, B1, X1, B1 plus X2, B2, column space. The null space means what we have to do? Take the B1 matrix and multiply the X value variable and is equal to 0 matrix. Then find out the X1 values and X2 values. If it is 2 order, okay, if it is in 3 order, we need to find the X1 values, X2 values and X3 values. In third one is a row space of A. The row space of A means we found the column space of matrix. We found the column space. C of A is nothing but column space of matrix. Okay, the row space of matrix is nothing but C of A transpose. Observe, yes, C of A transpose is nothing but row space of A. Okay, and then next to the left null space of A means we have to do matrix of A transpose into matrix of Y, Y1, Y2. If it is 2 order, Y1 and Y2. If it is a 3 order, then same procedure. Second problem on type 1. Okay, then take the problem. Determine the column space and null space of the matrix. Determine marks question. Okay, take the problem. Determine the column space and null space of a matrix A is equal to 1, 0, minus 1, 0. A is 1, minus 1, 0, 0. Okay, this one we need to find the column space and also null space of A. Okay, write the question. Okay, here given A is equal to 1, minus 1, 0, 0 as a 2 column vector, 1, 0 and minus 1, 0. This belongs to R square. Okay. Observe here in this matrix we have a two vectors, 2 column vectors. Observe here 1, 0 and minus 1, 0. This belongs to R square. Okay, first one, column space of A. P of A is equal to linear combination of column vector. P of A is equal to x1, 1, 0 plus x2, then minus 1, 0. Okay, P of A is a linear combination of column vector. Okay, P of A is nothing but linear combination of column vector. P of A is equal to x1, 1, 0, x2, minus 1, 0. Okay, then we have to write span. Okay, span means only we write down vector only. Okay, 1, 0 and minus 1, 0. 1, 0 and minus 1, 0. Okay, understood? Any doubt? Chandan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very simple. Okay, x1 and x2 we have to add. The next two, null space B. Null space of A. We know that null space is the solution of null space of A. N of A is the solution of A x is equal to 0. Means A is what here? 1, minus 1, 0, 0. X is x1 and x2 and 0 is 0, 0, 0. Okay. Then do the multiplication is 1 into x1. First row, first column. Okay, 1 into x1 minus 1 into x2 is minus x2 is equal to 0. Okay, then what will happen? 0 into x1 plus 0 into x2 is equal to 0. Means we are x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. Then x1 is equal to x2. Okay, take x1 is equal to 2. What will happen? x1 is also 1. x1 is also 1. Okay, then N of A is equal to x1, x2 is equal to 6. One of that is any constant. Rest is any constant. Any constant is belongs to R. Any constant belongs to R. Okay, any doubt? Write down please. Then we will solve one more problem. 6th mark question. And also find out not to go also. Row space of A. Row space of A. Row space of A, what will get? Row space of A means C of A transpose. C of A transpose. Okay, here A is equal to what here? A is 1 minus 1 0 0. Then A transpose is here. Column we have to write in one column 0. Then minus 1 0. C of A. Here linear combination of 1 and minus 1 and plus y2 0 0 0. Okay, then C of A transpose is equal to span of 1 minus 1 and minus 1 0 and minus 1 0. Okay, then shall I start next problem? Chandan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question. Determine the column space and determine the column space and null space of the matrix B is equal to 0 0 3 1 2 3 0 0 3 1 2 3. Okay, solution. Given matrix B is equal to 0 0 3 1 2 3 and three columns vectors. Okay, means 0 1 0 2 and 3 3. Okay, this is belongs to R square. Okay, then write down first one is column space of the column space of B. C of B is equal to 0 1. Column space of B can be written as this side 0 2 and 3 3. Okay, 3 3. Column space here equal to 0 1 0 2 and 3 3. Okay, then next to null matrix of B unified, null matrix of B means B. Write down. Okay, here next is the null space of matrix B, n of B. Okay, here we need to find the solution of the equation. We need to find it is the solution of equation. Okay, write down here 0, 0, 3. Okay, then here, observe here, 1, 2, 3. 3 column is there. Here you have to take 3. x1, 3 rows, x1, x2 and x3. Then 0, 0, 0. Then do the multiplication here. First of all, 0 into x2 plus 3 into x3 is equal to 0. Next is 1 into x1 plus 2 into x2 plus 3 into x3 is equal to 0. Then what will get here? Observe here, 0 plus 0, 3x3. 3x3 is equal to 0. This implies x3 is also 0. Then x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 0. Okay, then you know that x3 is 0 now. x1 plus 2x2 plus 3 into 0 is equal to 0. x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 0. Okay, here x1 is equal to minus 2x2. Take x1 is minus 2. x2 is equal to 1 and x3 is equal to 0. x3 is equal to 0. The null space of B. The null space of B means n of B is equal to x1, x2, x3, x2 is 1, x3 is 0. Means minus 2, 1, 0 belongs to or in this problem, same previous one, take only. But here, matrix, the given matrix is 3 cross 2 cross 3. 2 cross 3. Any doubt? Akshita? Chandan? The theory part is there, but problems are very easy. I am audible now? Theory part is very easy. The problem is very easy. Okay, it's not a difficult. Write down complete. Then we will take 3 cross 3. Then we will find column space and null space. Completed. Shall I start new problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take down next problem. Determine the column space and null space. Space C is equal to 3, 4, 2, 0, 1, 5, 0, 0, 2. Okay, determine the column space and null space of the matrix. Null space of the matrix. Okay, find out first. First one, how to do here? First one, column space. Column space. First one is observe here. C is equal to 3, 4, 2, 0, 1, 5, 0, 0, 2. Okay, hash 3 columns, has 3 columns. Okay, that is 3, 0, 0 and 4, 1, 0. Then 2, 5, 2. 2, 5, 2, okay, 2, 5, 2. Then next one, first one is column space of A, column space of A, C of A, the linear combination of column vector. C of A is nothing but linear combination of column vector made here x1 3 0 0 plus x2 4 1 0 plus x3 2 5 2 okay. Then write down span. C of A is equal to span of three zero zero, comma 410, comma 252. Okay, 252. 252. Okay. Then meditate. Then next to B, we need to find the null space of A, null space of C. Null space of C same previous 3x is equal to 0. Find out fastly what I need to write down here. It is 3 4 2 0 1 5 0 0 2. Here x is x1 x2 x3 is equal to 0 0 0. Okay, then multiply here 3 into x1 plus 4x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 0. Next, x2 plus 5x3 is equal to 0. Then 2x3 is equal to 0. This implies x3 is equal to 0. Okay, 3 0. Then observe here, take down first equation, don't take third equation, second equation. What will happen? Second equation will be becoming a 0. Okay, 2 plus 5 3 is equal to 0. In place of x3 we are putting 0. What will happen? x2 is also becoming a 0. Okay, x3 plus 4 2 plus 2x3 is equal to 0. Okay, 3x1 plus 4x2 2 into 0 is 3x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 0. Okay, then 3x1 is equal to 4x2. Take down x2 is equal to 1. What will happen here? 3x1 is equal to minus 4. Means x1 is minus 4 by 3. x1 is minus 4 by 3. Means x1 is equal to minus 4 by 3. x2 is equal to 1 and x3 is equal to 0. Okay. Then n of null space of C is equal to x1, x2 and x3. Means here minus 4 by 3, 1 and 0. This is the required answer. This is the required answer. Okay, write down any doubt. The next class I will start rank and row reduced echelon form. Okay, this is easy. Same, first using the A11, we have to do the A21 and A20.